我们起床了。Tim Hortons 买点早饭。Thank you very much。哦，里面人也不少，果然是全民咖啡。每天早上就有一大堆的人排队。O'Brien's。
And you just wait there on the deck. Joe will be with you very shortly.
Tickets.
Thank you. I gotta be able to go around the girth, right?
Don't go around my girth. There you go.
坐小船是要穿这种 full suit 的，是以防万一会掉下去嘛。
Just gotta go around the girth.
And then we get into hit our distress button on our radio, or make sure my phone is dry so we can contact me. Any questions? Something should happen to me. You decide very quickly who's going to drive the boat. Don't shove me off. Take the keys.
Let's see iceberg today. 去看冰山喽。
我开船呀，今天。
Captain. Yeah, we've got a new captain.
Okay, we all set to go?
How long does it take for it to slip from Greenland?
It takes 2 to 5 years.
5 years. Wow. 我们今天要近距离接触冰山了，好爽啊！ Are you from here, Phil?
Yes, I'm from Maple. I've lived here all my life. Now I miss your name. Capped off all this in the last 15, 20 minutes. All these, all this ice on the water just fell off. See where the angle, the water is eroding on the northern end of it? That was where it was heating at sea level. Now that's changed its balance. That's risen up out of the water.
Wow, this is $1 million view right there.
This is the view right there.
Once in a lifetime.
Just no one else looking at this iceberg right now.
All the floaters. Wow.
Melt water from the glacier filled the crack and froze. Like a chisel man went in there and chiseled it out. Okay, who wants a piece?
Real iceberg. Iceberg, a chunk of ice. It's just like fresh water.
Yes, it is fresh water.
Yeah.
Press slow.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. It goes really deep. That's tiny.
In a moment, we're going to go look at a cave with the cap on it. 700 feet. It's a natural navigation cave since the 1500s. Captain Cook wrote it up in his diary as one of the best landmarks along the coast. You can see it for 10-12 miles offshore in any kind of weather action. We're supposed to look up now and see this going on.
Wow.
Whoa!
is that an eagle?
Eagle, yeah, immature bald eagle. Meow!
Yeah.
He's making up stories. Eagle moving.
Hi there.
You're caught now. This is an abandoned fishing village called Fresh with a Rock right here at 10 o'clock. See the little rippling lines in the rock?
Oh yeah.
So that was part of the giant river delta. That was a part of Pangea. When Pangea broke up, Gondwana slipped a little bit north, and we're the most northern piece of Gondwana that makes up Europe, the only piece of Europe in North America, is the Avalon Peninsula. So this kind of concludes most of what we've done here today. Are you all happy so far?
Yeah.
All right, so we got to work our way back, I'm sorry to say. The reason the rock is this kind of a winey color is the iron rusting out right before your eyes. You can see the layers of sediment as it was all laid down in the northwest corner of Africa 490 million years ago.
Are we still allowed to catch fish here?
We're allowed to catch 15 fish per boat or 5 fish per person, only on the weekends.
Awesome. This is Joe O'Brien. Thanks a lot for the trip. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. We saw icebergs, we saw geology,
Yeah.
we saw bald eagles. We didn't see any whales this trip, but you never know. You're always waiting and hoping for a chance. But we did have a trip back in time today because we looked at a piece of ice that was 10 to 15,000 years old.
Yeah.
And we looked at geology that hasn't changed since that last ice age.
Yeah.
So thank you for coming with us. Thank you for enjoying it.
That was
and hope
definitely
you come
cool.
back for more.
Yeah, definitely. Will do. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Have a good day. 镜头上好像有一点灰。现在是11:01，从11点开始 drive to Cape St. Mary。我们刚刚结束了一个 iceberg 冰山之旅，因为本来是想去看鲸鱼和看 puffin，puffin 就是一种长得像小企鹅的一样的鸟，就是长得很矬的这个样子的小企鹅鸟。但是没看见，因为现在这个季节正好有冰山，但是我觉得看冰山比看小鸟激动人心的多，因为冰山很不容易看到，然后还摸到了，还舔到了。冰山的味道是淡水的味道，稍微有一点点咸。
就是冰的矿泉水。
我们现在就去 Cape St. Mary's 看鸟岛，鸟岛上面肯定能看到很多很多鸟。我们一会儿见。哇，一望无际的路，一辆车都没有。
是通到天上的路。
然后。又回来了。
主要是今天早上坐船吐了2次，胃不舒服，现在又一点没有饿，所以不好吃也得填饱肚。可以小鸟没事。
不会。
你吃完？我想说你吃不下就给我。
鸟岛，这个人就在这蹲着。 在正好有一个岛，经过这个小山坡了以后，鸟的声音就会又回来了。这不是画的颜色，这是天然生成的颜色。鸟的味道，好看吗？不好看啊。吓人啊！世界级景观你就觉得吓人？这个在那个 BBC 的 Live 上面你看到过的呀，我还跟你介绍过呢。这个就是那个鸟岛，这就是这个地方。这边有一个站的地方的呀。
It's only 450 feet to the ocean.
He is afraid of heights.
Hey, you're doing good though. You're here. It's like a lot of people only come to Springfield Beach.
Yeah. We must be Chris.
Oh yeah, mate.
Yeah. So go ahead. You can sit over there.
Get people much worse than you. If you want to see over the edge yourself, look, just. I've been here 20 years, so.
For Amazon right now.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Yes, well, yeah. People here like Amazon because, listen, it's easier to order from Amazon than.
It is?
Yeah.
Are you a Prime membership by any chance?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Thank you for supporting our business.
That's the easiest way to get it, though, right?
Yeah.
When National Geographic shows up,
Yeah.
they come down over the cliffs with us.
Oh, really?
So we take them down over, but now they have permits, so you're not allowed down over the cliffs.
Oh, no, I wouldn't dare myself.
I'm allowed. They have permits, so
Yeah.
they know they're coming.
Yeah.
The Cornell University was here last year for 2 months. And they
2 months?
They spent 2 months down over the cliffs. They were filming the baby gannets fledging.
It was very nice meeting you. Nice
Listen.
talking to you. Yeah, we'll probably see you in a bit.
There you
Next
go.
10 years or something.
Yeah. Oh, she's still sitting down on the bench and she's comfortable up here.
Yes. Yeah, it's very nice sunny day.
See you later.
See you later. 晒太阳晒得舒服吗？好呀。我们到鸟岛了，我们终于到这个 BBC 的世界名点，Cape St. Mary's 的鸟岛。
哥哥，你看后面有好多小鸟。
好，小鸟们，拜拜了。
拜拜了。
这边好多，甜甜粉，真的好，很满那个。
拍本。好，
马路，小狗。架子是不是现在都已经不能用了？妈妈给你们挑好石头了。晚上都不要交钱了，把衣服穿起来去走走。重新回来这边走一圈，来重温一遍以前在这边。
在里面做动作的。
是吗？以前 St.John 这边走了很多遍的 Water Street， 一条街非常著名的。到了夏天的啤酒节，就有很多人喝酒，因为这边有很多酒吧。这边在放一片。啊，这条街我也走过，一个坡特别的陡，也是非常有 St. John's 特色的房子。 啊，是
这公园啊，
是这儿。哎，有个铜像的呢。
没有了。
和我想象的好像不太一样。是这儿，是这儿，肯定是这儿。上面就是信号山。
关地旁
啊，这个位置坐的，我在这儿坐了一个下午吧，看看这边周围的人，听听这边的海风，闻一下这个海的味道，然后看着那个港口，看着 St.John 这边的港口，看着信号山上来来往往的车，还有人，还有看着海带。掉下去吧，就那姑娘掉了。这个公交车上下学，再一次来到信号山，太阳下山，太阳就快要下山喽。现在一点风都没有，真是一点点风都没有。太阳要下山喽，下次再来这里不知道或许是在多少年以后。是飞机场，我想要是市政府，我们的工程系的工程楼，那边过去是 Avalon Mall， 是 Signal Hill。这样夜景的灯亮起来了。大晚上的要来吃鸡。This is Leslie, our host, Airbnb host. She's helping us finding a good restaurant on the Bell Island.
Barkley, do you want to come get on video?
Here, I'll get a seat. Sit. Down. Yes, good boy.
How old is he?
He's 3. Well, I might have to go to bed.
Sorry to interrupt.
Oh no, I was happy. I was getting sad that we didn't get a chat. I was like, oh.
好，现在已经12点43，洗澡睡觉了，结束了。